Not sure how to use your Sharp AC remote? Model number CRMC-A751JBEZ. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The On/Off button powers your Sharp AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Pressing the display button turns the AC remote screen light and information on or off, helping save battery. It also allows you to quickly check or hide temperature and mode settings on the display. The Ion button activates the plasma cluster ion function, which releases positive and negative ions to purify the air. It helps reduce odors, bacteria, and allergens, providing cleaner and fresher air indoors. Pressing this button sets the air conditioner to turn off automatically after 1 hour. It's useful for energy saving, especially before going to sleep. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the Jet button to instantly start powerful cooling or heating at maximum fan speed, quickly bringing the room to your desired comfort level. Press the Gentle Cool Air button to activate a soft cooling mode that reduces direct airflow, creating a gentle and comfortable breeze without feeling too cold. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature, perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling, great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling, ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the Swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. If your carrier AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the Reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Sharp AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.